Every iPhone starts as an idea on paper, and the iPhone 14 Pro is no exception. Every line in Apple sketchbooks represents hundreds of design iterations, exploring different notch shapes, rounded edges, and ways to integrate the camera bump seamlessly into the phone's body. From these sketches, engineers move into prototyping, testing hundreds of materials, including ceramic shields, stainless steel frames, and new coatings for durability. One of the biggest engineering challenges for the iPhone 14 Pro was making the camera bigger without increasing the phone's thickness, a feat achieved through miniaturized components and advanced gyroscopes that allow for incredible performance in a surprisingly thin design. The display itself, a Super Retina XDR OLED with ProMotion, is engineered for 120 Hz refresh rates and adaptive performance to save battery life, while the Dynamic Island integrates software and hardware sensors to create an interactive, almost magical user experience. The camera system pushes the boundaries of mobile photography with a photonic engine that dramatically improves low-light performance, larger sensors for sharper detail, and advanced stabilization mechanics, all working with the A16 Bionic chip to deliver computational photography that blends hardware and software seamlessly. Every millimeter of the phone is meticulously engineered to balance heat dissipation, battery efficiency, and durability with precision-milled stainless steel and scratch-resistant glass, adding the final touches. What looks simple and elegant on the outside is actually the culmination of years of sketches, prototypes, testing, and engineering brilliance. The iPhone 14 Pro isn't just a phone, it's the story of innovation, persistence, and design perfection. Next time you hold one in your hand, remember that the magic started in a sketchbook where ideas were drawn, challenged, and perfected, ultimately creating one of the most advanced phones ever made.